globally, there is a problem. It is our climate, and we are impacting our climate. And the built environment is a major factor to that impact. It consumes over 40% of the energy produced in the world, and they contribute to over 1/3 of the greenhouse emissions.
Based on the Paris Agreement, countries have a pledge to reduce their carbon emissions to zero by 2050. If we are to do that, the construction industry has a lot of role to play in this.
My name is Brian Coogan. I'm the Director of Digital Services here at Ethos Engineering.
My name is Miguel Karashain. I'm the Director of Sustainability at Ethos Engineering.
How we work is changing. We're trying to make everything more efficient, optimize everything. So we created our own living lab. It provides an extra layer of environmental and occupancy data to us to allow us to make better management decisions. So therefore, we're always reducing our energy consumption in line with what the building actually needs and what the people in the building actually need.
Well performance rating is a third-party verification that is established just specifically for building performance and on real-time data. We are measuring carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, TVOCs, PM2.5, PM10, and ozone. It really made us understand our office differently, and we can see how we're performing from an air quality levels perspective, from a thermal comfort levels perspective. This sort of gave us an idea of how do we use our space, what's our occupancy patterns, and what's our usage of the space as well. So with these data, we can actually make quick improvements. Having real-time data is the main reason why we were able to achieve the well performance rating. So that third party actually verifies that we are providing a healthy space and a sustainable space for our employees.
Data is very easily understood by the engineering community, but there's lots of business teams that do not have the same capabilities. So what solution could we find in the marketplace that could bring these teams together onto the same playing field? So the digital twins were the next evolution. They are trying to be the system of systems. And we have a very strong partnership with Autodesk. We use all of the Autodesk design tools and their cloud technology services as well. So when Tandem, the digital twin offer came up, it was a familiarity with a trusted partner who has proven that technology works in the industry, and how they're solving one of the key issues, getting data from the BIM environment into the digital twin environment. And Autodesk from day one recognized that as a key component to ensuring the successful operation of digital twin. The living lab by nature is always evolving. We recognize that just collecting data and visualizing data was just not enough. We needed to get deeper into the data to become more predictive. We brought in Autodesk and the digital twin, and we felt that what it benefits was presenting to us, how we could integrate data and teams. It kind of evolved us, so that way we moved on to the iLab. The new workflows we're experiencing is a lot of collaboration. We're finding that a lot of teams are working closer together, where they're on the same page. The quality and consistency is far greater, and the results we're getting are very impactful on how we operate our building. The iLab has given us this unique insight to the next generation of digital tools that will optimize buildings through a digital twin. We are seeing that these tools are driving a new level of successful operations and compliance within buildings. We can confidently go to our clients now having deployed one ourselves, so they can also understand the benefits we are seeing as a result of this initiative. People are seeing that we're innovative, seeing that we're leading on the front foot, and are keen to come on this journey with us.
We focus on creating a workspace where people feel inspired, supported, and empowered. From using tools like our digital twin to enhance comfort and well-being, to giving our team real ownership over their work and growth. When we take care of our people, everything else follows.
Our ambition is getting greater every day. Lots of clear, precise understandings have now been gained through our evolution. And we have this very interesting question around AI. It's no longer an option. It has to be implemented across every organization. AI will enable us to ask the questions, interrogate the data in a different way, give us insights that we would not have thought of. That will backward feed into how we design. That will backward feed into how we manufacture. That will backward feed into how we dig the ground to get the resources. It's like what the tractor was to the farming industry. It is going to be that impactful. On top of that AI thinking, I feel that Ethos are at the forefront of this within the engineering community within Europe. And I feel Autodesk are also there, allowing us to push more, demand more, create more value for our clients. Every day when we discuss, we're always pushing each other, always asking, what if, could we go on, give it a go?